Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about CSS. So here CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. CSS is a language which is used to style web pages which are written in HTML. Okay. So when we are talking about CSS, mainly we have to remember one thing. That is CSS is a list of rule sets. Okay. First we will take a look into a rule set and we'll see an example to understand what is a rule set. Okay. So here I have written the syntax of a rule set. Okay. In the rule set we are going to have a selector and property value pairs. Okay, in selector we have different types of selectors that we will see in further videos. Okay, I had given an example of h1 element selector. Okay, so here h1 is an element. This selector is called as element selector. Okay, inside that element selector I had given two properties. One is color property and another one is text align property. Okay, why I am using color property here? Because I want to change the color of the h1 element. Okay, and why I am using text and property here? Because I want to specify the position of the h1 element. Okay, for applying the CSS I have heading and paragraph, right? These things we had created in the previous video, right? So now I want to change, or I want to apply the CSS, like I want change the color of the h1 element to red. Previously it is black, right? Here it is black, right? Now I want to change it to red, and at the same time want to be it in the center. So here, that is what I am saying in CSS. Okay, so I am saying color to be red and text aligns to be center. So just I will refresh the page. See, the CSS has been applied to the web page, right? It did not affect the paragraph element, right? In HTML we have two elements, right? h1 element and the paragraph element, right? But it applied or it affected only the h1 element, right? That is why we are saying this type of selector as element selector. Okay, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and comment your thoughts about this video.